Entropy. You've probably been told it means disorder, the universe slowly turning into a mess. That's catchy, but it's also misleading. The real definition is much simpler and honestly more beautiful. It's basically just counting. Here's the idea with 4 coins. If I toss them and tell you only how many came up heads, that number is the macro state, the big picture. But many specific arrangements give that same number. Those are the microstates. For 2 heads, there are 6 different arrangements. For all tails, there's exactly 1. More ways to be, that's the whole key. And this is exactly what Boltzmann wrote down. Entropy equals a constant times the natural log of omega, where omega is simply the number of microstates. 2 heads, omega is 6. All tails, omega is 1, and log of 1 is 0. So 2 heads isn't messier, it just has more ways to happen. Entropy is the log of a count. Now look at your coffee cooling. Think of its heat as tiny packets of energy. At first, almost all of them sit in the coffee and very few are in the room. Let them hop around at random. How many arrangements keep all the energy in the cup? A handful? How many spread it out? A mind-bogglingly larger number. Nothing is pushing the heat out. The energy is just shuffling, and there are overwhelmingly more shuffles that look spread out. That's why coffee cools. Not force, counting. The same idea gives us the arrow of time. The laws of physics work the same forwards and backwards, so why do eggs never unscramble? Because the microstates that look scrambled vastly outnumber the ones that look neat. Our universe started in an extraordinarily rare, low-count state at the Big Bang, and it's been drifting toward the overwhelming majority ever since. Time's arrow is a statistical stampede. Quick check. For 4 coins, which macrostate has the highest entropy? 0 heads, 2 heads, 4 heads, or are they all equal? It's 2 heads. That macrostate has 6 microstates backing it up, while 0 heads and 4 heads each have only 1. More ways to happen means higher entropy. That's the whole game. So entropy isn't disorder, it's the count of how many ways. And the second law is just bigger numbers win.